Hello, my name is Tiny, from Anern Group. Today we are gonna introduce you to solar street lights. SLZ, exclusive private model product with high level and fashionable appearance. Distinguishing from homogeneous products in the market, and avoiding vicious price competition. The market has serious homogeneity, and the quality is uneven, which makes it easy to fall into low-price competition. SLZ, the maximum frame thickness reaches 4.0 mm. With reasonable structure design, strong mechanical rigidity, being able to withstand 16-level typhoon. The maximum frame thickness is only 1.0 mm. The strength is poor, and there is a safety hazard in bad weather. SLZ, using high-efficiency monocrystalline solar cells. With conversion efficiency as high as 22%, the power generation output is greater under the same condition. Low-efficiency solar cells, or even defective cells, with low power generation output and unable to meet power demand. SLZ, the brand new deep cycle lithium iron phosphate battery. With the complete cycles as high as at least 2,000 times, the use is safe and stable, and the service life is up to 8 years. Using second-hand batteries, with poor stability, quick capacity decay, and high failure rate, and there are huge safety hazards. SLZ, independently developed BMS system to protect the battery well and ensure the battery long-term safe and stable operation. Without BMS system, the battery is prone to overcharge and over-discharge, which can result in a greatly shortened battery life. Hope the above comparison helps you understand the Anern SLZ better. Don't want to fall behind the times? Choose Anern SLZ solar street lights from now on.